Welcome to this guided meditation. Find a comfortable position where your body can soften. You can sit like I am, or you can lay down if you prefer. Whatever makes you feel comfortable. Allow your hands to rest naturally, your shoulders to relax, and if it feels comfortable, you can gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. And for the next few minutes, there is nowhere else you need to be, except for here in this moment. There's nothing to prove, there's nothing to become, there's nothing to do. You're just in this moment. Take a slow breath in through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. Again, breathe in slowly and let your exhale become just a little longer than your inhale. And as you continue flowing to the rhythm of your own breath, breathe in peace. I want you to envision what that looks like for you, and breathe out everything you've been carrying. And as your breath begins to slow, your body receives a simple message. I am safe enough to rest. I am safe. Allow each exhale to soften the muscles around your eyes, your jaw, your neck, your shoulders. Imagine your thoughts becoming like clouds drifting across the wide blue sky. No chasing. You don't have to silence them, but simply observe and notice and let them pass. And now bring your awareness to your body, this incredible home you've lived in every day of your life. Maybe you spent years criticizing it, comparing it, expecting more from it. But today, we choose something different. Today, we simply notice. Bring your attention to your heart. It has been beating faithfully since before you took your very first breath. Thousands of times today alone. It has continued choosing life. Quietly whisper to yourself, thank you, heart. Bring your awareness to your lungs. Every breath, every inhale, every exhale, working effortlessly to nourish every single cell in your body. Thank you, lungs. And notice your blood flowing through thousands of miles of vessels, delivering oxygen, carrying nutrients, keeping every part of you connected. You don't have to remember to make it happen because your body already knows. It knows what to do. Thank you. And bring awareness now to your brain, even when it becomes busy, even when it becomes anxious. Its deepest intention has always been to protect you. If your mind has been loud lately, gently tell it, thank you for trying to keep me safe. You can rest now. Now imagine the trillions of cells throughout your body, each one carrying its own purpose, its own intention, each one communicating, repairing, renewing, and working together in remarkable harmony. An entire universe exists within you, not because you earned it, but because life chose you. And I want you to begin to notice your five senses, your ability to hear, see, taste, smell, to feel the warmth of sunlight, the softness of fabric against your skin, the rhythm of your own breath that you're currently breathing now. These are simple gifts that actually become extraordinary when you truly notice them. Now bring your awareness to your hands, the same hands that have comforted people, that have hugged others, that have shook hands with people, that have created, that worked, that held on, that let go. And I want you to imagine them in your mind. Notice that your fingerprints have never existed before in all of human history. There has never been another person exactly like you, not one. You are not here by accident. You are an unrepeatable expression of life itself. And now gently scan through your entire body from the top of your head to your forehead, your eyes, your jaw, your throat, your shoulders, your chest, your heart, your stomach, your hips, your legs, your feet. If there is any place holding tension, imagine breathing kindness directly into that space. And quietly repeat after me. You can even whisper, body, body, I'm sorry for every time I spoke to you with criticism or comparison. I'm sorry for every moment I believed you weren't enough. I'm sorry for forgetting how hard you've worked to keep me alive. Thank you for healing, adapting, and protecting me. And today, I choose to become your friend. Take another slow breath in, and as you exhale, feel your body truly receiving those words. Notice how your breath has slowed. Notice the quiet that is beginning to grow beneath the thoughts. This calm has always lived inside of you. It was never missing. It was only waiting for your attention. And as you return to your day, carry this truth with you. You do not have to earn your worth. And you do not have to become someone else before you deserve peace. In this very moment, your heart is beating, your lungs are breathing, your cells are working together. Life is flowing through you, and that is already enough. Take one final deep breath in and slowly let it go. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers, your toes, and return to the present moment with gratitude for your breath, for your body, for this beautiful, miraculous life that is uniquely yours. And remember, the relationship you have with yourself shapes every other relationship in your life. Today, choose kindness, especially toward the person who has been with you through every single moment. You. Take a moment to stretch. Sending you so much love, and thank you for joining this guided meditation.